Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Now, Christmas is the season for giving, and sports stars continue to do their part to help those less fortunate. World Championship 400-meter hurdles bronze medalist Ristanana Tracy and her boyfriend, Commonwealth Games champion Kamar Bailey-Cole, recently launched the Rista and Bailey-Cole Foundation, and the wards of the Clarendon-based St. Monica's Home were their first benefactors.
My foundation is based on youth. It's a broad foundation. I'm dealing with sports, culture, mentorship, and I chose St. Monica's Home because I wanted to come in Clarendon, and this was the closest one that I actually visited. And once I visited the homes, I fell in love with them, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna help them. I'm gonna let them be one of my first project of the foundation.
First of all,
Tracy.
Giving back is like anything, because I came up without a lot of stuff. So basically, I'm just looking forward to giving back every year as I can, and making everybody else proud, and for helping St. Monica's Home.
Tracy, who attended Edwin Allen High School, which is also located in Clarendon, also appealed to corporate Jamaica to come on board with our new foundation.
Well, most definitely, I want to see a lot of sponsors coming on board, because currently we don't really have any sponsors. We only get sponsors for the event today, which is Lasco, Johan Blake, Glenn Mills, and Champion Center. They all pull together with me, and we get this done today.